This is an MTPredictor trading update, and just wanted to take a look today. We had some good trades setting up. Obviously, the market's taking a hit today. If I just take a look at the daily chart, you can see market's struggling. Actually, this is the weekly chart here. Here's the daily ES. You can see the slide that we've had. Here's the NQ here. And let's just take a look at the weekly here. I'm sorry, the daily. Okay, so you can see this line up here was the 200-day moving average, and markets struggled with that area. Haven't been able to close above that, and it's gotten rejected and selling off pretty good today. So in our 3-minute, here's our YM here. NQ is here in the middle, and then the ES to the right. You see we had these TS3 setups in the ES, and these are the day-only charts, and then the YM TS3 here. I'm just going to put the analysis on here, and on the ES as well. So nice healthy targets here. The ES has a almost 5-to-1, and the YM here almost 11-to-1. A huge trade there. So one thing though we do want to look at, if I expand this, out a little bit. We've come down, 10 almost 11-to-1 is a huge target there, and we may look for some intermediate support. And if I just take a decision point pivot here, it gives us kind of an intermediate, before we get to the bigger target here, area of support. You can see we came into that support area, or waiting to come into see if we can get into that support area. And let's just project one off of this. So off of a couple of these areas here, we see we've come into this decision point area, and you can see where the market has kind of struggled. It's lunchtime, so some consolidation going on there, and then we'll probably have some more support in this area. If we can get through that, then we got a shot maybe at hitting the big target down here. So a nice setup here. Again, that was 8 contracts. I'm risking only $360 to make a potential $3,940. So you see why it's important to keep your losses small on each trade, because these do come. Obviously there's not as many of these as some others, or this size trade as the 2-to-1s and 3-to-1s, but these do come. So you do want to be able to take advantage of those. And the ES, if I can take out this low here, we'll have another decision point off this low here in the ES. It'll need to take that out to have a shot at getting down to the target there. You see our YM back over here coming into this decision point area. So we're going to need to see that taken out, see if we can get to the big target. So we'll see how these progress, but some very nice trades setting up here today. Take a look at the, you see the ES over here came into its DP support area here. And again, it would have to, if you're going to hold more of this position to get to the bigger target, then you're going to have to take out this DP area. So we'll see. Okay, got pretty close to the targets here. On that last little push down, you can see the ES here 1063, 1063.50. We've gotten as low as 1063.75. So that little push down, if you wanted to take profits, you're only a quarter point away or so. The YM here at 10,055 got as low as 63. So just a few ticks there, and we'll just see how they finish out and be back in just a moment. Okay, so in here we see the ES pretty much hit the target there. The price here is at 63.37, so we just rounded up 63.50, which hit there. This YM still got a little ways to go. We'll see if it can get there. It's about 2:22 Eastern time, so we've got plenty of time. We'll let this finish out. Okay, so finally we've come down and hit the target. A few ticks beyond that now. Very nice trade there. Almost 11-to-1 risk reward for profit there in the 3-minute YM of $3,940 before your commission and expenses. And that's why you keep the losses small, you let the winners run, and that's the key to trading. Hope this has been helpful, and we'll look for more trades next week.